Hey, welcome to another episode of Beers, Jack of Barbecue. Check out the chicken thighs we cooked on Monument Grill's new 415BZ. Hey, I'm Craig, Man Behind Cameras Jack. Yeah, chicken's a thing that I use a gas grill for all the time, and this grill here is fantastic. It's a little bit shorter footprint for a Ford grill, but it gets super hot. I had this thing fired at 800 degrees. It burned some things off the grill when we first put it together. But just got some chicken thighs, hit it with some Creole seasoning. That's something new we're gonna try today. And just gonna cook them over like medium heat. It's probably gonna be the plan. Try to watch any flames. There's no skin on here, so I don't expect too many flames, but there is a little bit of fat coming from the chicken thighs. So let's get it on the grill. All right, let's get these thighs on. I had it just turned it down a little bit now. It's running a little warm there. These shouldn't take too long. I'm gonna let them go a good 5 minutes before I come in and check them, but. All right, bring you back in a few. All right, it's been about 6 minutes or so, but I figured we'd check them out, see what we look like here. That looks some good color over here. We'll figure out some hot spots too. That got like two thin ones on here. They'll probably go quicker. Keep this one over on the side at the lowest spot. So, 5 more minutes and we'll see where we're at. All right, let's get them checked out. And I know this thicker one's not going to be ready yet, but I want to take a peek of that. This one here has some better color. I know that one's not ready yet. This one's going to need some work, but let's see where we're at anyway. Actually, it's pretty close. I mean, the thighs I like to go 175, even to 180 to 190. This one's going to be way done probably. So I'll also check this one while we're here. That's better than I was expecting. There we go, 153. I knew we needed more, but we aren't far away. Those little pieces are what you call the cook's cut because those don't make it to the house. All right, we may be done, so I wanted to check them out. I know this little one's done over here, and this one's probably, that's pretty close there. But I found a colder spot over here. Well, maybe not. Maybe we'll go a little bit longer, or I'll pull a couple off here. That's done. That's done. So actually I want to go for a little more color on that one. You know what? We're going to let them all go another minute or two, but then I'll pull them. All right. I'm going to call it done. I still will check this one here because it was just kind of on the lower side yet. Yeah, that'll finish up in it when it warms up here as well, but everything else is done. See you on the cutting board. As always, cheers. Here we are, end of the cook. Just some chicken thighs with no skin on from Bell & Evans. Cooked on the new Monument Mesa 415BZ, if I think I have that right. Hit it with some Creole seasoning in advance here, and you saw us just cook it, you know, back and forth, just a little bit medium-high heat we were on. Some were in the 180s, and again with the chicken thigh, I don't mind that at all. But we'll see how we did here. Nice and tender. Chicken thighs are my favorite part of the chicken. Creole seasoning is really good. Not a whole lot of spice. I was expecting it to be a little hotter, but hopefully like you're seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell, get notifications, and we'll see you next time.